Hello, I'm Christina and welcome to Yoga with Christina. Today we'll be doing an active but gentle Hatha yoga routine. This will get you up and moving without being too forceful or too challenging. It's still an active routine, but it's very gentle on the body, so I hope you enjoy this one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming at-home yoga classes. I also have over 300 classes already on this channel, so don't forget to go into my video library and check those out as well. So, if you're ready, grab your yoga mat and let's get started. Stand up tall in mountain pose or Tadasana with your feet together or hips distance apart and parallel to one another. Place your hands down by your sides, close your eyes for a moment, take a deep breath in and out through your nose. Focus your attention on your inhales and your exhales. On your next inhale, raise your arms all the way up. Take hold of your right wrist and your left hand. Remain even on both of your feet as you tilt your upper body over to the left, stretching the whole right side of your body, looking up. Slowly come back up and switch sides. Take hold of the left wrist with your right hand. Tilt your body over to the right, stretching the left side of your body and remain even on both feet, standing up on the ground. On your next exhale, come up to standing and place your hands down by your sides. From here, stand at the top of your yoga mat. Step the right foot forward and the left foot back into a high lunge on the right side. Lunging forward into your right leg, keeping the left leg straight. Keep the feet parallel to one another. The left heel is raised. Reach your arms up, palms facing each other. Turn the right hip out, turn the right leg out from the hip. Place the left foot down onto the ground. Place the left foot at a 45-degree angle and align your right heel with your left arch. Reach your arms out to the side, palms facing down, and look over the right hand for a warrior two on the right side. Slowly come back to mountain pose at the top of your yoga mat, and we will take the same sequence on the other side. Starting with high lunge, step the right foot back, keep the left foot bent. The right heel is raised, the feet are parallel to one another. Back leg is straight. Reach your arms up, palms facing each other, lunging forward into the left leg. Adjust your feet so that you're standing in warrior two on the left. Keep that left leg bent, turning the leg out from the hip on the left side. Place your right foot down at a 45-degree angle on the ground, aligning your front heel with your back arch. Reach your arms out to the side, palms facing the ground, and look over the left hand. Remain here in Warrior Two on the left. From here, adjust so that both of your legs are turned out from the hips, and then bend your knees. Coming into Goddess pose, both knees bent, you're facing forward, your knees are turned out, and they are aligned with your ankles. You can place your arms out to the side or up in a cactus shape as I'm doing here, and hold. From here, you can come through Warrior Two on the right, come back into your high lunge on the right, and then step that foot forward into mountain pose. Hold mountain pose for a moment with your hands together at the center of your chest, standing up tall. Take a deep breath in and out through your nose. Place your hands down by your sides. Come down onto your hands and your knees and step the right foot forward into low lunge on the right. Keep your left knee on the ground, lunging forward into the right leg. Toes are pointing forward. Look down and hold. Bring that foot back and step the left leg forward for low lunge on the left. Keep the right knee down, press the hips down towards the floor as much as you can. Hold here. And bring the leg back underneath your body. Touch your big toes together. Separate your knees apart about the width of your yoga mat. And we'll take a wide-legged child's pose. Reach your arms forward, place your head down onto the ground, sit your hips onto your heels and hold here. Slowly make your way up. We'll now take our final pose, Shavasana. Gently stretch your legs out onto the ground, coming into a Shavasana. Separate your legs apart, bring your hands down by your sides, turn your palms up towards the ceiling. Close your eyes and deepen your breath. Breathing deeply in and out through your nose. Once again, come inward, focusing on your breath, and remain here. Bring some slow and gentle motion back into your body, moving your hands and your feet, your arms and your legs. Roll to the right side, bring your knees bent, your arm under your head. When you're ready, press yourself up, come to a cross-legged seated position. Bring your hands to your legs, sit up tall, close your eyes, and breathe deeply. Bring your hands to meet at the center of your chest, bow your head to your fingertips. Namaste. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this yoga routine. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up. It would really help to support this channel and help the channel to grow. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, as I said at the beginning, so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming free yoga at home classes. I also have over 300 classes already on this channel, so if you're stuck at home like all of us are at this time, check those out. There's literally hundreds of options that I have already on here for you. I also just uploaded a vlog and my perspective on how things have been in the first days of this self-quarantine here in New York City. It's on my other channel, my vlog channel, so I will leave that linked as well if you'd like to check that out. I would love your support over there as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.